Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a 2D sketch for frame generator in Inventor. Click on File, New, and create a standard.ipt file. Click on Start 2D Sketch and pick on XY plane. Click on the arrow to rotate the sketch so the top of the sketch is on top. Click on the Line tool, start the line with the origin point. You can type the length of the line. If the length is in inches, you don't need to type units after the number. Otherwise, you can type the units after the number. Use the middle scroll wheel on the mouse to zoom in or zoom out of the drawing. Continue with the Line tool to draw all the lines for the rest of the sketch. You can add all the dimensions when you finish the sketch. When you draw the lines, you notice there are two colors for the lines. The black lines mean the lines are fully constrained. The purple lines mean the lines are not fully constrained. Right-click and click OK to exit the Line tool. Click on the Dimension tool to add dimensions. If the number of dimensions is in inches, you don't need to type units after the number. Otherwise, you can type the units after the number. Make sure after you add the dimensions, all the lines will turn black, which means the lines are fully constrained. Click on Finish Sketch to save the sketch. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.